In this video, let us look into solving simultaneous linear equations by the method of cross multiplication. I'm sure you haven't heard this method until now, or at least not something that we've done. So this is a new thing. So we will straight away start off learning the method of cross multiplication by solving an example. Say we've got these simultaneous linear equations here in two variables, which is x plus y equals 7 and 5x plus 12y equals 7. So what we have to do in the first step is we need to get the term to the right side of the equal to sign to the left side, so that becomes x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. There's nothing left on the right hand side, right? So and then we have 5x plus 12y minus 7 equal to 0. So now we've got three terms, right, in each of the equations. So what we have to do is we straight away have to take x minus y and then 1, and we need to write the denominators for each of these like this. So we need to take the coefficients. Now when we deal with x, we need to leave the coefficients of x and take the coefficients of y and these numbers and write it in the form like this. The coefficient of y here is 1 and the coefficient of y here is 12. The numbers here minus 7 and minus 7. So you write this like this. I'll tell you what to do with this. All these are equal to this, alright? So now below minus y, you need to leave the coefficients of y and take the coefficients of the others. That is the coefficient of x. That is take 1 and 5 and then take minus 7 and then minus 7. And as far as 1 is concerned, that's the constant. So leave this and take these 4. So that becomes 1, 5 and 1, 12. So now what we have to do is we need to cross multiply something like this. You know, multiply 1 to this and minus 7 to 12. And 1 to minus 7 and minus 7 to 5, and 1 to 12 and 1 to 5. So how do you do that? So the next step is the multiplication of this. You need to write x divided by, it should be 1 multiplied by minus 7 minus of 12 multiplied by minus 7 again. So 1 multiplied by minus 7 is minus 7 and minus of 12 into minus 7 or minus 7 into 12, which is minus 84, right? Equal to minus y divided by minus 7 minus of minus 35, because 1 into minus 7 is minus 7, 5 into minus 7 is minus 35. So 1 into minus 7 minus of minus 35 equal to 1 divided by 1 times 12 is 12 minus 1 times 5 is 5. So now solve this. We get x divided by minus 7 plus 84 equals minus y divided by minus 7 plus 35 equals 1 divided by 12 minus 5. So now solving this, we get x divided by 77, 84 minus 7 is 77, equals minus y divided by 35 minus plus 28. And this is equal to 1 divided by 12 minus 5 is 7. So now you need to find x, equate x by 77 to this one, and to find y, equate this again to this one. So x by 77 equals 1 by 7, or x equals 77 by 7, which is 7 goes 11 times in 77. So therefore x is found to be 11. And as far as y is concerned, it is minus y by 28 equals 1 by 7, or minus y equals 28 by 7, or y equals minus 28 by 7, which is 7 goes minus 4 times in minus 28. So y equals minus 4. So this is how we solve simultaneous linear equations by the method of cross multiplication. So we found the values of x and y. It may appear a little lengthy, but well, it's fine. This is just another method to solve. So solve this method only if asked to solve in the method of cross multiplication, or you could use anything that you like. Can be substitution method or elimination method or the cross multiplication method. So quickly, let me recall the things for you. When the equations are like this, write it in the form, just take the constants inside and write it in this form, and then write x minus y1 no matter what, right? X minus y and 1, and then below x write the coefficients except the x in this form, right? Leave the coefficients of x and write the coefficient of y and then the constants. Similarly for y, leave the coefficients of y, write the coefficients of x and the constants. And for 1, write the other coefficients and then multiply in this method. 1 into minus 7 minus of, like this, like this. like a ribbon. So 1 into minus 7 minus of 12 into minus 7. That's what it is here. 1 into minus 7 minus of 35. So like that, and you solve it, and then to find the values of x and y, equate both of them individually to the constant here, and then you find the values of x and y. So this concludes this example problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on solving simultaneous linear equations by the method of cross multiplication.